right, guys, we are back with another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti. We are here today at Grand Central Market in downtown Los Angeles. I'm going to try out Golden Road Brewing's Vegan Classic Burger. Let's see how Golden Road does vegan burgers. All right, guys, we've got our Golden Road Brewing Classic Vegan Burger. Includes a Beyond Patty, vegan yellow cheddar, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, and then they've got this vegan remoulade, and it comes on a brioche bun. They toast the bun, that looks nice. It looks like a gourmet burger as opposed to more of a fast food burger. Looks like a great burger. Does it taste like one? Let's find out. This right here, this vegan classic burger is fire. The Beyond Patty is crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. It's chewy, but not too chewy. A great texture. It looks just like a meat patty. I can't get over the crispy outside. They kind of char the outside of the patty, which really contributes to it feeling like a real burger patty. It's one of the best textures I've encountered with a vegan meat substitute. The vegan yellow cheese is creamy and it tastes very similar to regular cheese. It's got a slightly slimier, more rubbery texture. The vegan remoulade sauce brings a nice tangy flavor to it. The brioche bun is toasted to perfection. It's light, fluffy, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. It really ties the burger together. You've got crispy tomato, crispy onion, crispy lettuce. Feels like more of a gourmet burger, more like a craft burger. Overall, man, if you were to serve this to me, I would not realize it was a vegan burger. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode. Thank you again.